Hello and welcome back to my series tutorial. Today we are going to create this beautiful UI. I just found it on Uplabs by Saydul Moon. Let's get started. Before we get started, I've already just created the initial project on GitHub, so you can download before getting started. Okay, open up home.js and we are going to make this screen first. So I'm gonna create this array view component and view, then here we add another view, and then here we add also another view. I'm gonna import the menu that I've already created. So how to do that? Just import it. Import. I'm gonna name it menu from assets icons menu.svg, then menu. Okay, and then we're going to import an icon. I'm gonna add a feeder icon, and the component name will be feeder, and it's from magnetic vector icon / feeder. Feeder name will be search, and the size will be 24. And down here we add an image. The image search from asset images profile.jpg. I'm gonna add some style, so I'm gonna create the cons styles is style sheet create, and I'm gonna name it as container, and down here I'm gonna name it header, and here I'm gonna name it, I don't know, right header, and it will be icon header, and the image will be profile. Okay, copy all of this, and the container will have background color, will be this one, and it has a flex 1, and the header gonna change the flag direction to row. The align, justify content will be space between. I'm gonna add some margin vertical 20 and padding horizontal also 20. And down here, gonna change the flag directions to row again, and the line items will be center. Down here, we gonna change the color, will be this green. And I'm gonna adding margin like 20. And profile, set the width to 35 and height also 35. I'm gonna add some border radius to 5. Okay, save it. I'm sorry, the shader should be, can add a few down here. And this one is up here. Save it. Nice. And then down here, we are going to create another view and some text. The text will be choose your line break. Favorite blank. Okay. And down here we adding another view and another view and some text again. Text is popular. We add another view and down here see all. Okay, now I'm gonna styling this text. So that will be styles, title, and down here adding style. I don't know, title wrapper, and here gonna add another style. Style will be title 2. As I say, you can choose another name because I'm too lazy. Okay, copy all of this, also this, and paste it down here. And the title will have color this color, and also has font weight to bold, and the font size will be 32, I guess. I'm adding some padding horizontal 20. And on title wrapper, I'm gonna change the flag direction to row and justify content, space between, and align items, center, Gonna add some margin top, be 30, and margin bottom will be 20, and I'm also add the padding horizontal 20. I'm title 2, gonna change the font weight to bold, and the font size will be 16, and the color will be this one. And title 2 also has the same, but the color will be this. I'm also change the font size to 12. Okay, nice. Okay, next I'm gonna create some flat list here. So down here we create another view and flat list, and the data will be on data. I've already created, so you just cons or import data from data/data. Okay, and the key extractor will be data ID, and it will be horizontal, and I'm gonna hide horizontal indicators. Scroll will be false, and the render item, I'm gonna create another component called popular. Okay, I'm gonna create the popular up here, and we pass an item, and we create view, another view, and down here we can add an image, and the image will be this. I already create an object. It has ID, image, name, price, category, and rating. So the image will be item.image. I'm gonna add some text, and the text is item.name. Down here we add another text. The text will be category, and down here we add view, and gonna add another icon. The icon name is icon. Icon. I don't know how to say that. It's from icons. Same from React Native Vector icons. The icons, the name will be star, and the size will be 12. Okay, and on here we add another text, and the text will be item.rating. Okay, and down here we add touch able opacity. Okay, and down here we add a text, and the text is item the price, and down here we add another text. No, I'm adding a few, and filter icon name is plus, and the size will be 15. Okay, save it. Oh, I'm forgot to render when return. Save it. Okay, nice. Okay, and then we are going to create a style, and the style will be styles popular rapper, and down here we add another style, and the style will be styles popular image. And down here will be styles popular name, and here will be styles popular category, and here will be styles rating rapper, and here rating, and here will be rating con. Okay, and on here will be by rapper, and on here by text, and here by icon, by button, and here will be by icon. Okay, copy all of this. I know that you may be a little bit confusing about the name, but yeah. And style will be applied here, and a popular item will be I'm gonna change background color to be this. Okay, and adding border radius 30 and margin right to 15, and I'm gonna add some shadow. So color will be black, and shadow offset will has width 0 and height also 0, and gonna add some shadow radius to 5, and the set opacity will be 0.01. And on popular image, gonna change the width to 150, and the height will be 180. And the popular name, gonna change the font weight to bold, and the font size will be 16, and the color will be this one. And gonna add some margin button to 10. Excuse me. And the popular category has a color this light gray, and the font weight will be also bold, and the font size will be 12. And also I'm adding a margin button to 10. Okay, and on the rating wrapper, I'm gonna change the flag direction to row, and gonna add, okay, and in the rating, I'm gonna change the color to this. It's orange color, and I'm adding margin right to 5, and on rating count, gonna change the color same as category, and gonna add some font size, will be 12 also, and origin button will be 10. And down here, gonna change the flag direction to row, and the line items will be center, and justify content space between. I'm gonna look first. Okay, nice. And then on the body text, we're gonna add some margin left to 20, and the font size will be 18. Font weight people, and the color will be this green, okay, and the buy button will have a padding 20, and the background color will be just purple, and I'm gonna add border radius, border left radius, border top left radius will be 10, and the border bottom radius, bottom right radius will be 30, and the buy icon will has a color of white. Save it. They're missing. I'm gonna add some padding here. Be 20. Nice. Okay. And then we are going to create a space here, but only on the first item. So I'm gonna add a style here to be spirited, and the margin left has some condition. If the item ID is equal to 1, then 20, else 0. Okay, you just see that. Maybe I'm gonna change the opacity to it's a bit more darker. Okay, and I'm gonna add some margin, popular rapper, vertical, be 20. No. Okay, I think that's enough. And then shadow is not up here, I guess. I'm gonna add some margin, vertical to 10. Yeah. Okay. No, it's all good. Okay, next we are going to create another flat list in the bottom here, but we gonna add this text first. I'm gonna copy this because it has same style, same component, not this one. Okay, but I'm gonna change the name. It will be simply a simply a. Okay, and down here we add another view and another flat list, and the data will be on data2, and the data2 from data/data2, the key extractor was same, and maybe we're not going to create a flat list. Instead of flat list, I'm gonna add just regular view. down here. So I'm gonna map the data to, and down here we're going to return component. I'm gonna name it gently. The key will be item ID, and the item will be item. And we're gonna add another component. Component is recently, and I'm gonna pass item, and we're going to return some component here. And the component will be has a view, another view again, and down here we're gonna have an image, and the search will be item image, and then we gonna add another view and some text. Text will be item name, degree, and also item price. And down here I'm gonna add another view and another view. Also I'm gonna add icons, and the name is star, and the size 12, and text will be item rating. And down here gonna add another view and feeder. The name is plus, and the size is 15. Okay, save it. Recently, maybe I'm spelling. Okay, and I'm gonna add style here. Also, style will be styles, recent, wrapper, and down here will be recent image wrapper, and here will be recent image. Here recent title means the name, and this degree, recent price, and then here recent boy wrapper, and here recent rating wrapper. Down here style will be it already has same style, so I'm gonna use the old one. And down here also has same style, rating con. Okay, then here will be styles. No, listen, because it's different. Okay, and here my icon. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Ugh. Okay. And paste it. Okay. And the recent wrapper will has the flex direction to row and the margin horizontal will be 20. Justify content is pass between, and the background color will be this one. And it has the border radius 30 and the margin bottom is 15. And recent image wrapper has also flag direction to row, and align items will be center, and padding will be 10. And on recent image, can I set the width 100 and height also 100, and gonna add margin right 10. And the recent name gonna change the font size bold, I mean font weight. Also the font size will be 16, and the color will be this one. And I'm gonna add the margin button to 5. And the recent category will has the color, this dark gray or light gray, and font weight will be bold also, and the margin button is 5. And the recent price font size will be also 16, and font weight will be bold, and the color will be this gray, mint green. Okay, and the sent by wrapper, we have to justify content. to pass between and the align items with the center and flex in. And on here the rating wrapper gonna change the flag direction to row and the padding with 20, and for the crescent buy button has padding 12, and the background color it is purple, and border of the radius with 10, and the border bottom right radius will be 30. Wait a minute. Same image. Size 1. Contain. What's happened? Ugh. Okay. And also I'm gonna add shadow. So I'm gonna copy this and paste in here. Okay. Because the content is collapsed, so I'm gonna add scroll view, maybe here. Gonna add scroll view, and so vertical indicator to false, and okay, nice. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends if this is useful, and comment on the description below. I'm waiting for you to challenge me to creating another UI design and creating it to React Native app. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in the next video tutorial.